Have you ever noticed that respect makes people cooperate, but fear makes people pretend fake? This is what Law 43 of the 48 Laws of Power book teaches us. Hi, my name is Mohit Sambaria. I welcome you on my YouTube channel Mohit Experience. In this video, I am about to explain 43 law of the 48 Laws of Power book that teaches us why emotional connection is more stronger than fear and pressure. So make sure you watch this video till the end, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button because this is what I will keep doing until unless I explain every each law of this book in my videos. And if you want to get free PDF of this book in any language, so make sure you follow me on my Insta handle. I will be giving you free PDF of this book. So 43 law of the 48 laws of power book, that is work of the hearts and minds of other. This law says that don't rely on fear, force and authority. Instead, win people emotionally, mentally. Because if you scare people, they obey temporary. But if you touch their belief, hope, they support you. Because people are not machine. They are driven by emotions, feelings and hope. But when you talk about what they think, when you talk about their hope and their belief, you can make them do whatever you want. Let me make you understand with an example. Imagine there are two leaders. One leader always shouts on others. Employees work but without motivation. But second leaders appreciates others. He if someone makes any mistake, so he tries to improve their mistake. What do you think? Who would be more valuable? Second leader. This is what this law says. Power that comes from fear, that is unstable, but power that comes from loyalty, that is long lasting. This is what this law says. So this was the 43 law of the 48 laws of power book. And if you also want to read this book without spending your money, so make sure you follow me on my Insta handle. I will be giving you free PDF of this book. And if you want to know more about this book by watching English video, so make sure you subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this law, what is your perspective about this law. I will definitely reply of your every comment, and I will see you in the next video.